You might be in a position where for some reason your Nintendo Joy-Cons are just not working, or your Switch Joy-Cons. I sounded like a weird person when I said that. Now there's a couple of ways to go and fix it. Now I will tell you the one way that I was able to go and fix it pretty quickly. It didn't take too much time, and the process doesn't even really need to do with the Switch. It doesn't need to be on or anything. But in this case, let's just go ahead and disconnect our Joy-Cons real quick. So as you guys know with the Joy-Cons, okay, in order for you to charge them, there's no charging port or anything. They all click in from the side right here. Now, the main problem that I've seen is that anytime or every time somebody has a charging issue with their Switch, it usually means with their Joy-Con specifically, it usually means that there is a connection problem between your Joy-Cons and your Nintendo Switch. And that's exactly the situation that I was in. So what I had to do in this example was I took one of the Joy-Cons just like this, and I had to just slide it in like so. But first, you wanted to make sure that the sliding port right here and this whole entire thing right here is cleaned off. If you have a bunch of crumbs and dirt and dust built up right there, sorry, I had to cut there, something really funny to happen, but you have to kind of clean out this area on both sides of your Joy-Con. Now in this case, you can see mine are pretty clean, but I had a lot of built up there. I took a cotton swab and I just cleaned out these sides right here, and also inside here. You don't want to scrape anything, you don't want to scratch anything. A cotton swab, a tissue paper would probably be one of the better ways to go about doing it. And at this point, what you want to do is you want to go and take your Joy-Cons, and first of all, you want to make sure they're connected. So, and my bad, I had to switch the positions again. But at this point, you want to grab your Joy-Con, you want to go and hold it down like this until the green lights are shaking just like this. You want to go ahead and come down here and put your Joy-Con in the right way. So while the green light is still going on, you want to go and grab it like this. Go ahead and slide it in just like so. And most probably your Joy-Con will be able to be visible within there. So as you can see, that's good. And you will see that it will end up charging in this spot. Now in this case, again, we're going to go and clear out our spot right here with the cotton swab. We're going to go and get our Joy-Con, and you will hold down this button, and you'll see once this green light starts going on, as you can see, you want to go and slide this bad boy in right in the same spot, and you will see that it will probably end up charging. So like I said, the process is take your Joy-Cons out, clean out the side ports, hold down that button on the side, and then re-slide them back in, and most probably your Joy-Cons will end up being fixed. They'll be connected, and they'll go ahead and start charging from your Nintendo Switch. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.